When we're looking at AI governance at the EU level, some of the key themes that are coming out are how you can regulate AI models versus AI systems. The AI Act is taking a risk-based approach to the regulation of the application of AI systems at the moment, so looking at what they're used for and how high or low risk those are. When it comes to models, we are talking about the difference between foundation models, general purpose AI, and whether there should be different obligations on the deployers and providers of those AI models. Other themes include how far-reaching legislation and regulation should be, what the legal jurisdiction for these measures should be, and how those should be taken into account when it comes to regulating at national and regional level. We're also talking about what AI systems should be completely banned, what have unacceptable risk and shouldn't be used at all. Some lessons from the AI Act that we've found is that it's very important to take both a technical and policy approach at the same time. This legislation is very technical, and so it's very important to use all stakeholders, use all resources that you have access to make sure that you understand the key principles, ideas and technological models that you are dealing with. A second thing would be that we need to look very much at specific use cases for the industry. It's important to remember that policymakers and legislators may not have any technical experience with artificial intelligence, so where we can help provide use cases that help them visualize issues, problems, solutions, that will always be very helpful, and not just for them but for us too, in how we shape our position. Another lesson from the AI Act would be that when starting from a very broad approach, it can easily become quite complicated, quite mixed, and so maintaining a key narrative line through the position, through the engagement work is always very helpful. For the time being, all regulation, legislation and codes of conduct on artificial intelligence are very high level. When we're looking at the G7 code of conduct that's been released through to the AI Act at EU level, it's high level, it's looking at AI in broad terms. I think going forward we will see regulation of AI that's more specific, tailored to other policy areas and its interaction with those. So we'll be looking at regulation around the use of AI in the workplace, the use of AI in healthcare, and then the interaction between artificial intelligence and cybersecurity as well. So those are 3 examples, but we could potentially see other interactions like that.